in order to find breakout setups, I basically run dollar breakouts and 4% breakout scan and find setups. So after going through those scans today, there are some setups which look decent, not the best, but like Phillips Van Heusen, which was up here, now it's a dollar breakout. On earnings, it was up. AXN, which was an anticipation setup, also it's already up 8%. GES, which was another recent breakout, earnings breakout, as I said in a video a couple of days ago, focus on stocks with catalyst. So stock had a catalyst and breakout today. Fiat Chrysler, this is breaking out today. Very nice setup. Vista, maybe not the best of the lot. American Eagle Outfitters, again, maybe not the best of the lot. Okay. Vietnam ETF, this is breaking out from this particular thing. This looks nice. So that's one. On the short side, VAT. Okay. Here the stock had this big gap up where like it had 168% move and then like another 33% move. So almost 200, 300% move. And then it has been going down. It's been going down. And here from this consolidation, it had a breakdown. I already have a short from a higher position, higher price level on this one. FNGN is another one which is breaking down. And stock is already around 6.6%. So you can find breakout setups by running scans like dollar breakout and 4% breakouts and many other scans which I have shared multiple times.